If your Chrome downloads are failing with a network error on Windows 10 or 11, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can be caused by something simple, like a weak connection, a browser glitch, a cache problem, a security app, or even a bad download folder. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Chrome or making major changes to your computer. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows and browser fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. A weak, unstable, or interrupted connection is one of the most common reasons Chrome shows a download failed network error. Try opening a few websites to make sure your internet is actually working properly. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, restart your router and give it a minute to reconnect. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a different network if one is available, and if possible, use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. A solid connection is important because even a small interruption can cause Chrome to stop the download and throw an error. Next, restart Google Chrome completely. Sometimes the browser itself gets stuck with a temporary glitch, and simply closing and reopening it can clear the problem. Make sure Chrome is fully closed, not just minimized. You can do this by clicking the X in the top corner, then reopening Chrome from your desktop or taskbar. Once it opens again, go back and try to download one more time. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix a one-time download issue. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your Chrome cache. Corrupted cached files can interfere with normal browser activity, including downloads. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From there, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You can leave the other items unchecked if you only want to target the cache. Then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and test the download again. Clearing the cache can remove broken, temporary files that may be causing the network error. Now let's look at security software. In some cases, your antivirus can accidentally block a file or interfere with Chrome's download process. If you have third-party antivirus software installed, try temporarily disabling it and then test the download again. Just be careful here and only turn it off briefly while you check whether it's the cause. If the file downloads successfully after disabling antivirus, then you found the source of the issue. You may need to adjust the antivirus settings or add an exception instead of leaving it off permanently. Another thing that can cause download problems is a VPN or proxy. VPN apps, proxy servers, and even VPN browser extensions can interfere with the connection between Chrome and the download server. If you're using any of these, turn them off temporarily and try the download again. This is especially useful if the file is being blocked due to location-based restrictions or network filtering. Once the VPN or proxy is disabled, Chrome may be able to complete the download normally. If Chrome still gives you a network error, the next fix is to change the download location. Sometimes the current download folder is broken, restricted, full, or not accessible. To change it, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then select Downloads. Under the Download Location section, click Change. Choose a different folder, such as your desktop, and save the setting. Then try the download again. A fresh folder can bypass permission issues or problems with the old location. The final step is to flush your DNS cache. DNS stores network records on your computer, and if those records become outdated or corrupted, downloads may fail. To do this, press Windows and S on your keyboard, search for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once it completes, you'll see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This refreshes your network records and can solve hidden connection issues that interfere with Chrome downloads. After that, reopen Chrome and try your download one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get your downloads working again on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The key is to work through the fixes one by one so you can identify whether the issue is your connection, your browser, your security software, or your network settings. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.